Today we talk about how can you find your friends on your StubHub app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, so when you click here on profile here, it's going to show for you a list like this. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, you keep going down here, then you click here on friends. When you just click here on friends, then it's going to take you to mixip here. Then here you will find your following and followers here, and here you will find your friends. I have no friends here, but if you have them, you will find them here in this list. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.